Dear viewers, welcome. All of you are fine. Today I will discuss with you about the best 5 blender machine. And to know about this blender, watch the full video and subscribe the channel, because we always upload such video. So friends, let's start the video. Number 1. Vitamix VM0197 Explorian Blender. Professional grade, 48 ounces. Container, black. There's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do when it comes to blending, pureeing and grinding ingredients. With pro quality precision and control, it can make everything from silky smooth green smooths to creamy soup and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and silky smooth margaritas in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick. It's also a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. One note is that the carafe is on the small side at just 6 cups. In need of a blender with a larger carafe, the Vitamix Ascent blender also performed exceptionally well at grinding nut butter and blending milkshakes and smoothies. It has a 64-ounce jar, one of the largest we evaluated, which means it's perfect for big batches. We found the touchscreen controls easy to use. The jar fits on the base nicely, and the see-through plastic lid comes on and off effortlessly. Related 6 best Vitamix blenders, according to testing: weight 11.5 pounds, dimensions 11x 8x 18 inches, jar material plastic, jar capacity 48 ounces. Number 2. NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender Combo 1200 watt, 1200 W, dark gray. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It comes with a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces, with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed query. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the personal cups and then get inverted to be blended, so be careful to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base of the blender. When you're done blending, it's easy to accidentally make a mess if unscrew the cup from the blade instead. Weight 10 pounds, dimensions 8x 8x 17 inches, jar material plastic, jar capacity 64 ounces, 32 ounces and 24 ounces. Number 3. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor 1200 WP. 6 function smoothies, extraction spreads, smartTORQUE 14 ounce. Smoothie maker, 2 to-go cups and lids, silver. If you prefer to be able to choose between a personal smoothie and a smoothie bowl, then the Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a great pick. This personal blender's jar features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency, perfect for a smoothie bowl. In our tests, this model easily tackled both green and berry smoothies, with very few residual seeds and super smooth results. This model also suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style auto smoothie setting. In addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model comes with 2 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. If you want the option to switch between personal smoothies and blending up party-sized batches of frozen margaritas, then the Foodi Power Blender and Processor System is another great pick from the Ninja Foodi line. In our tests, the blender produced smooth and creamy soups and milkshakes. Weight 6.5 pounds, dimensions 7x 7x 11 inches, jar material plastic, jar capacity 14 ounces and 24 ounces. Number 4. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender with personal blending jar, KSB 4031. This sleek blender claims to blend even the toughest ingredients from kale to almonds, and it passed our test with flying colors. We couldn't taste the kale in our smoothie. It crushed ice into snow-like consistency, and it even blended chia seeds smoothly. It features easy-to-use presets for crushing ice, smoothies and icy drinks. Plus, a little soap and water added to the self-clean cycle makes sure no food bits are left behind in hard-to-reach spots. In our tests, we noticed that the start button is a little small and sometimes needed to be pressed several times to activate. We love its sleek design and that you can pick from a variety of fun colors. While this blender is at a lower price point compared to similar high-powered blenders, KitchenAid also has a smaller and lower cost model that performed well in our tests. The K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender allows you to easily whirl up a soup or a smoothie in one batch, even though its pitcher has a smaller 6-cup capacity. Weight 12 pounds, dimensions 9x8x16 inches, jar material plastic, jar capacity 56 ounces. Number 5. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender, 64 ounces jar, 4 program settings, 12.5 amps, blends food, shakes and smoothies, red knob, stainless steel, WGBL 200s. Number 5. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender, 64 ounces jar, 4 program settings, 12.5 amps, blends food, shakes and smoothies, red knob, stainless steel, WGBL 200s. The Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender stood out to us in many ways, with its sleek design, featuring its signature red knob and lightweight jar with a comfortable handle. There are 10 speed settings on the blender and 4 pre-programmed options: soup, puree, ice crush and smoothie. This blender produced a very smooth, thick milkshake and a smoothie that was creamy and homogeneous. In our tests, this super powerful blender also produced great frozen drinks. It also has a unique emulsion cap that allows you to add oil to the blender at an optimal pace to get a great emulsion in sauces and dressings. This pick is also sized to fit under most cabinets. The blender jar is hand wash only. Weight 16 pounds, dimensions 9x7.5x20 inches. Jar material plastic, jar capacity 64 ounces. Dear viewers, thank you for watching the video carefully, and if you want to buy the product, then search our video description, and if you like the video, then subscribe our channel, because we always upload such video.